Hello dear students, thank you for joining me. I'm very glad to have you here again. Are you excited to learn something new? Let's get started. Today we will be learning a sound, and at the same time we will use long U sound as well. U. So let's start it. Start to the top, all the way down, round, up and down. Again, start to the top, all the way down, round, up and down. Up. Under. Earn. Unicorn.
Utensil.
Uniform. Umbrella. Oriole. Ukulele. Urchin.
आपको umbrella. आपको umbrella. आपको umbrella. When it starts to rain.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to practice the sound so you can make your new words. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.